All right, let's take a look at inverse functions and inverse function values using a graph. So on this graph, we have two functions, f of x, which is an exponential function, and we'll learn more about that in chapter 4, and then g of x, which is a linear function, and that's what we've been using all along. So we have four inverse function values defined. The first one says f inverse of 3. So remember that notationally, what we have is f inverse of y is equal to x. So this is saying when y is equal to 3, what's the x value that goes with that for f of x? So let's find where y is equal to 3 on f of x. So that would be this spot right here. And the location of that point is 1, comma 3. So when f of x is equal to 3, or when the y value is equal to 3, the x value is 1. Right, the next one is f inverse of 0.5. So 0.5 is going to put me right about here. And the x value that goes with that point is negative 1. Right, next up is g inverse of 0. So be careful here. Remember that this is saying when y is equal to 0, what's the x value? So y equal to 0 is right here. Okay, and then the x value there is 1, 2, 3, x is equal to 4 there. Right, and then last but not least, g inverse of negative 6. So when y is negative 6, what value of x do we have on g of x? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is that point right here. And that x value that goes with that is negative 2. All right, so there are some inverse function values using a graph.